Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we got strawberry cough. This is sativa. It has the dispensary tag on the back or whatever. The tag in the middle says 2021. Good vibes only, one puff at a time. Yeah, let's just get this thing open. Hold up, I want to check something. I feel like I've checked this before. Oh no. Okay, yeah. This is different. This one has like a little line, like right here. You can feel it. And on Blue Dream, it doesn't have a line right there. So that's kind of interesting. Yeah. Let's go in for the hit. It smells like a strawberry, but like it actually smells like a strawberry cough. Kind of comparing this to a Mittens card, a screw on. But yeah, I'm gonna go in just for a hit. Kind of hype for this card, but I hope it's good and not like every other strawberry flavor. What the fuck? What the what? Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, no. It's definitely different than the other ones. Oh my god. Yeah, these flavors are all gassy as fuck, man. Strawberry cough. Ooh, this one's good, bro. I'm highly fucking at this one, bro. But I've been saying that about all of these. Like, yo, my camera is bugging, bro. Okay, I'm sorry, guys, if my camera is bugging. I don't know if you guys can see that, but for me, it's like bugging and bullshit, man. I don't even know. Let's keep it in this thing. Yeah, I'm fucking a strawberry cough. Let me show you guys the bag in the box. So here's this, the dispensary tag and shit on the back. And here's that. And that. But yeah, let's go for some more hits. Yeah, my camera keeps doing this like dimming shit. But I also might be tweaking. I've been bugging all day, I'm not even gonna lie. And my fucking fingers bleeding. I don't know if you can see that, but comment down below if you guys want to see longer videos. Like, I can make it like either 5 to 10 minutes or 10 to 20 minutes. It's all up to you guys, whatever you guys want to see. But I don't know, because it's either I'm gonna do like either probably 5-minute videos with 2 videos a day all February, or a 10-minute video every day. So yeah, let me know. for a couple more hits. It's definitely like it hits so hard. Yo, I lost my tape. I don't know the tape went. Yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Peace out. Have a good day.